Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This week we will be going through lesson 4 of the basic Tajweed rules. Lesson 4 is to lengthen for 1 second, part 2. If you see any of the following 3 signs on a letter, then lengthen that sound for 1 second. What are these signs? Standing fatha, standing kasra, and upside down dhamma. Once again, the 3 signs: standing fatha, standing kasra, and upside down dhamma. Let's look at the examples. ذلك آخر سماوات. These are all the examples of standing fatha. Again, ذلك آخر سماوات. So we're lengthening each of these standing fathas for 1 second. Next example. به نفسه قومه. These are the examples of standing kasra. Once again, repeat after me. به نفسه قومه. Now moving on to the upside down dhamma. له ماله إنه. Once again. له ماله إنه. So any letter with a standing fatha on it. Let's go through those examples to recognize and to understand this rule. آخرة رزقناهم نفاثات على آدم أصحاب كتاب قرآن. Once again, repeat after me. آخرة رزقناهم نفاثات على آدم أصحاب كتاب قرآن. Now moving on to any letter with a standing kasra under it. Repeat after me. نفسه إيلافهم هذه آياته بيده ظهره أهله أمه. Once again. نفسه إيلافهم هذه آياته بيده ظهره أهله أمه. Now moving on to the upside, any letter with upside down dhamma on it. Repeat after me. يره كتابه داود امرأته حوله فصاله نعمته ناديه. Once again. يره كتابه داود امرأته حوله فصاله نعمته ناديه. So with all these examples, we were lengthening for 1 second in each one. Whether it's a standing fatha or standing kasra or upside down dhamma, any letter with these signs, we lengthen for 1 second. So the key thing to remember in this lesson is to lengthen each example for 1 second. The sound has to be longer than just a normal fatha, a kasra, and a dhamma on a letter. So we have to see a clear difference. When you pronounce the following examples, there should be a clear difference. Let us look at the examples. Akhirati, akhirati. So a clear difference between a fatha and a standing fatha. Hadihi, hadihi. You see the clear difference between the standing fatha and the standing kasra on both letters, the ha at the beginning and the ha at the end. Kitabahu, kitabahu. You see the difference with the fatha again and the standing fatha here on the ta, and the dhamma and the upside down dhamma at the end on the ha. So the important thing is to practice this and to perfect the lengthening for 1 second. We have the standing fatha, the standing kasra, and the upside down dhamma. So when we see these signs in the Quran, we understand how to read them, how to lengthen them. And inshallah, next week we'll be going through the next lesson of the basic Tajweed rules. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant us the ability to perfect our Quran and to increase our understanding in terms of the Tajweed rules. Jazakumullahu khairan wa ahsanul jaza.